Hi, Neely Nathan with Expert Village. So we're still on breakfast. I've just showed you the beverages and now we're moving on to our breakfast entree. Typically, most people like to eat eggs, bacon, and toast. That's fine. I want to show you some better choices for eggs, bacon, and toast than perhaps you've been using. For bacon, why not try turkey bacon? Let's read the label here. I just bought this from the health food store and it has 0 grams of saturated fat. Yay! Because remember we talked about saturated fat is the #1 culprit in many diseases: high blood pressure, high cholesterol, heart disease, and it causes the body to have an inflammatory condition, and that's what we want to avoid. So this is excellent. 6 grams of protein. Now instead of frying this with some oil or butter, which has even more saturated fats, right? Why not use your toaster oven and grill it right there? So I'm going to do that. Then next we'll move to the eggs. My choice for eggs is, again, it's the idea of getting it as fresh as you can. Anyone that lives on a farm knows how wonderful fresh eggs are. So get it as close to its original source as possible. I like to pick the brand that's organic because I don't want my chickens being cooped up for humane reasons and for my better health reasons as well. This contains 225 milligrams of omega-3, which is a good fatty fat, and also 75 milligrams of DHA omega fat, which is very nutritious for us. Oh, the chickens have been fed flaxseed, soy, and corn. That's good. It's a good source of vitamin E and vitamin B12. So read your labels and find out what you're getting. Also, what I want to show you with a better quality egg, the yolk is darker and therefore that has more nutrients. Now, also the idea with eggs is why fry them? Why add more bacon and grease? Here I'm going to show you how easy it is to poach an egg as an alternative. The pan is filled with water, and then I got one of these poaching things, and I put just a tiny bit of olive oil in one of the slots there. So you let that get nice and hot, and then you're just going to pour your egg in there. Very easy, very simple. And you don't have to add the grease. So we'll let this cook. Typically it takes anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes depending on how you like your eggs.